Hello my friends. Okay, now we're at the third stage of our beehive build. We're now going to cut the second side corner square and also get all our pieces of wood the same width. Okay, let's start off with getting our height adjusted correctly on the blade. Okay, that should be high enough. Let's get the width set. Will help if you plug it in, eh? Okay, so there we have one flat side now, the square side that we did on the planer, and now this side and that side is parallel and all our wood will be the same width. We're not concerned about the height at this point, that will come at a later stage. Catch you in the next one.